Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm using the Dr. Miracle's Tingling Pre-Shampoo. Now, I normally use African Pride too, but I realized I opened two at the same time, I think from the last time. So I'm just going ahead with the Dr. Miracle's because that was the one that's almost done. And then I'll just go back to African Pride. The good thing for me is that both expire next year, and I'm probably going to be finished with both before next year. So that I don't have a problem with, but I feel like it's been a minute too that I've used a pre-shampoo because every time I normally take out my hair is so dirty that I just wash it straight like that. I don't even do a pre-shampoo, especially the last time when I took out my hair out of the weave, it was really dirty. So I wanted to make sure like I really like cleansed my hair properly because it was bad, I'm not gonna lie. But I want to say though, to be very honest, I don't know if it's due to me not getting to really wash my hair with the weave, but I do notice a change in my hair, like at least the front of my hair. I noticed a little growth. It might not look like that here, but I noticed it when I was like taking out my hair and even washing my hair, like looking back at this footage too. Anyway, I'm using the Function of Beauty shampoo. Now I still use this. I mean, I've not shown it a lot, but I've been using it every couple of washes when I take out my hair and stuff like that. But I generally would use this like when I took out my weave. I used it after shampooing with the other shampoo that I had that's for like specifically for dandruff. I wanted to go in with that shampoo first, and then I went in with this to kind of have like a moisturizing shampoo. Now I did not have my I forgot my shampoo brush because it was in another bag from the last time I washed my hair. It was so I like at that moment I couldn't go get it because it was in my bedroom. I was ready to shampoo my hair, so I just used the pads in my fingers because trying to get all of the dandruff. I don't know why did I step out the shower? I do not know, but anyway, we're gonna continue. But yeah, I just noticed, I don't know, it's just weird, but I guess when you notice your hair, I didn't measure anything, but I did notice like the front of my hair grew a little bit, and to me I wonder if it's just from me not literally not touching my hair that whole month because I didn't even like get to wash myself or anything like that. But yeah, so I don't know if it grew half an inch or inch, but I definitely knew a difference. Noticed the difference. Anyway, so now I'm using Toledo YG. Like I love their line. Seriously, I use the leave-in, I believe, and I think I talked about another video, and the curl jelly or something, jello. And I love that. So I needed a deep conditioner because I realized out of all my hair products, I have a bunch of conditioners and no deep conditioners. And before I protective style all the time, I like to go with the deep conditioner. So I went ahead and did a deep condition. And this one works really well. You leave it for 15 to 20 minutes, and I think they said 10 minutes longer if you without a shower cap, but I always forget the shower cap, to be very honest with you guys. So I just don't. But yeah, so as you guys can see, my hair shrinks a lot too. That's the thing that I think annoys me the most. I know they say shrinkage means your hair is healthy, but it kind of annoys me because when I style it too, and I think I was gonna talk about this later in the video, but I think I chopped it up. But it's not that I don't like my hair. As you guys can see, my hair looks beautiful. It curls nicely, but the problem is during a work week, I don't got time to be doing my hair all the time. Number one. Number two, my hair shrinks so much that like if I do something nice to it, by the time I take it out, I'm unsatisfied because my hair shrinks so much. That's number two. Even with sometimes me forgetting to do banding methods. And then number three is I just feel like I'm the type of person, like I get very like frustrated at some points if my hair doesn't look how I want it to look, and then I just take it out. So I mean, then I start over manipulating my hair, and this is why I constantly go in protective style mode, because it's better. I rather not touch my hair than touch my hair every day and mess it up. Of course, I try to get my hair breaks here and there and wear my natural hair out, but sometimes I just over manipulate way too much. So yeah, but this is my hair. As you guys see, even here it started shrinking. Once my hair is in curly state, especially wet, it just shrinks so much. But hey, that's the thing about natural hair. So this is what my hair looks like. This is the back of my hair. I know, just want to show you guys because I want to give you a back shot. After, before I washed actually the deep conditioning. Okay, so now I'm using a Dark and Lovely. Now I've talked about it so many times. If you hear me talk about it so many times, that means I love it. So this is the blowout cream. So this whole line was created for if you're during like a blow dry blowout situation. Now every time I braid my hair, I always do a blowout. So that's hence why I'm using applying this product before I go on with the Revlon blush. Now I didn't want to bore you guys, so I just showed you guys like one side for like everything, I think, except for when I was blow drying, I think. But yeah, just go in sections because with me sections work well. Normally, that's easy to do to just keep me organized. Then I go with their heat shield primer mist. Now I think I received like a 5 products from their line last year, I believe. And I went through the deep conditioner. I think I have a little bit of the shampoo left over. And I have these 2 products I showed you, plus they have like a balm thing, but I don't really see the use for the balm to be honest. But I still have that. But overall, I really do like this line. I think it's a great line for like if you know you're about to have a protective style or you just want to do a blowout. They do have good heat protectant, and I believe the heat protectant is for heat up to 450, I believe. So yeah, but I love this blow dryer brush. It's the best investment that I made from Revlon. I'll link it down below. But it's the best because also like unlike the blow dryer, which I used to hate, you can actually get into your roots with the brush because you can actually like literally brush your hair from top to bottom, and I think that's what I liked best about it. But back to this. I don't know. Comment down below if you notice a change in my hair. I don't think anybody would notice unless like you've been watching my videos for a while. But even when I did the blowout, I noticed I was like, ooh, my hair definitely got longer, some way, shape, or form. So honestly and truly, I don't know. Like I said, I think it was just me not literally not touching my hair for the whole month because I didn't wash it. Not to mention it was very dirty because I didn't wash it. But it's very hard with weaves, obviously, and that's why it's not a hairstyle I would do often. But also too, after a while, kind of gets annoying because you can't really get as much access to your hair as you would like in box braids and stuff like that. Um, but I think also everything comes with like maintenance, of course, of your hair. My goal, hopefully, with these box braids is to maintain more growth, I should say. But yeah, sorry. Does that happen? Like, I wash my hair and then I still have an itchy spot. I don't know, it's weird. And I'll be scrubbing my hair for the life of me to make sure it's nice and clean. Anyway, so I just keep on going with the heat mist and keep on going. I promise I wasn't frying my hair. You see steam. Promise I didn't fry my hair. It's just, I think too, it was probably the mist that was creating that, but we all good. I've used this multiple times and my curls always come back, so I know what I'm doing. But I don't mess with the heat without the heat protectant. So as you guys can see, I just make sure I try to get it through all the section, and then I go ahead with the brush. And yeah, that's what I do. Anyway, as you guys can see, my braids are done. I'm not touching my hair. Mom said don't touch it. You know how like, that TikTok where I feel like I can't see myself. I haven't worn my glasses all day today because I have the braids, and with me braiding my hair, my glasses would be in the way. But anyway, I feel like I was like, the TikTok where they're like, don't touch the candy. I'm like, don't touch my hair. My hair is just like in these kind of like twisty things. My mom put them in because we gotta put in hot water. But I'm still like waiting for the water to boil. But this is what my hair is looking like. I don't. I would have to. I went to where I put my tripod. I would have to go get my tripod so you guys can see the full thing. But maybe you guys can. Well, I guess if I put it like this. So the color is kind of like a ginger color looking color mixed with black on the top. So I got the color. I think it's if I'm not mistaken, it's S1B/30 because the 30 is like the ginger. But I'll leave the actual hair and everything down below. And don't worry, I just have this pimple patch because I had the biggest pimple here and I've been trying to make it pop. So I put this pimple patch since like this morning. But I've been incorporating different things to my skincare routine since my facial. I got, I linked the Marshall's TikTok because I didn't do a YouTube like haul because I noticed personally they weren't doing like as effectively as I wanted to on YouTube. So I haven't done like as far as hauls when it comes to like Marshall hauls. If I get clothes, then but it's not like a whole clothing haul, I won't do a haul like I used to do. But like if it's like just clothing based or like for example the Temu hauls have been doing pretty good, which I'll get you guys another one when my package ships. I'm still actually waiting for it to be shipped. This shipment is taking a little longer. They did tell me like if it doesn't come by I think a certain time, they give me $5 credit, so I'll take it. But I'm just hoping that it does get shipped soon because I would like to get my items so I can see how some of these items work. Because this time I got clothes, I got a mixture of everything because I was like, yes, while I want to try clothes, I also want to try other things that they have. So if you saw the poll, I already did a poll for that. The hygiene stuff, I wanted to get it done this weekend, but I don't think, I'm just tired. I'm definitely not doing it tonight. The only thing I'm thinking is maybe if like tomorrow, if I have some wiggle room, because I do want to go out. Tomorrow I'm gonna most likely, I'm not 100% sure, but there's still a lot of seats because now it's not the opening week of Creed 3. I was gonna see it last week, but it was like by the time I was gonna go, I was like, yeah, forget it. It was booked. By the time I was like, let me go check it out. But I think I most likely might be going to see it tomorrow because I kind of actually, what's crazy is this week when I came from work, I watched the first and the second on 2 different days to kind of like just remind myself of how the whole storyline went through because I did see them before. Like I saw the first and second before the movies before, but I wanted to kind of give myself a refresher. So I want to see the third one and kind of like everything makes sense as far as the storyline goes. But anyway, yeah. So if I'm going out to see that, most likely I don't want to go ahead and edit a second video or film another video. That's why I kind of started doing this video in place because also some of the hygiene products that I wanted to share with you guys in the hygiene product haul, which I think 2 people voted for it since the last time I checked. I wanted to wait for the products to come because they are essential products that I actually use on a weekly basis. So I didn't want to just rush the video like when I came from work one day and I'm like tired. I didn't want to do that. So the plan is if I don't do it, like let's say if I come back from home and I'm feeling not too groggy, I may do it, or if not, I'll do it sometime midweek this week because my goal is that I finish the last of this content for you guys so that I can start editing it. And then if it doesn't go out Monday, like I try to be like very flexible. Like if I know the video is going to be a super long vlog like this, then I push for Tuesday and not even Monday because Monday is just too much, especially if I go out on a Sunday. I don't like to like drive myself crazy. So anyway, yeah, I think I'm gonna come back to you guys when I do my like nighttime skin routine. So I knew I was gonna go out, like I mentioned earlier in the video. So the next day, so I decided, why not? Let me just do my laundry because it was still decently early. So I was like, let me just go ahead and wash my laundry. I'm to be really honest with you guys, I still have yet to fold that said laundry that I washed. But at least they're dried. Sometimes it's just like with editing this video, like right now, that's what my focus is on. And sometimes I'm just straight up tired and then I don't feel like standing and folding clothes. I'm keep it real. But that's the thing, like I know I have extra clothes to wear, so like that's why I feel like I get more unmotivated to fold them. Normally I'm really good with it though. Normally I fold it like next day, but we'll see how it goes. It's been a day and a half now, so. And then I don't know why I was showing you guys this, but yeah, sure. Putting in the detergent, and then I went ahead with the all detergent, and then I think Downy was a softener. Okay, so now a little bit of my skincare. So I'm currently using this Witch Hazel by Humphreys. Now it's a little more organic than like the other brand that I've used before. I have used this before when I was traveling, but like the mini size of it. So I decided when I went on Amazon, I saw they had the Humphreys one. I just went ahead and bought that one because I needed to restock soon. So I just cleaned my face with that. Now, like I said, I have this big pimple, but I do have overall pimples, so I wanted to do a mask because it's been a minute, so I just went with this peel-off mask. Now, everything that I use in this video, I will leave in the description box so that you guys, if you want to check it out. Now, I do like this peel-off mask because for me, if you're a lazy person, this actually works well in terms of like, you just gotta peel it off and then do a quick rinse off of whatever is left over, versus when I do other masks where I have to sit there and rinse the whole thing off. So that's what I like about it. And also I went with my Dr. Teal's sleep lotion. Then for my face, I'm using the serum that I got from Marshalls, I believe last year. I like to go with the night serum after. When I don't use a mask, I just go in with the serum right after and skip the mask step. Now I've been trying to use this on a daily. This is the eye serum. I have to do content for this, by the way, actually, now I think about it while editing this video. But yes. And then I'm using just this lip balm that I have in the house. I have some to moisturize my lips, and that's that. And lastly, I'm ending this video with just a little montage of me cleaning my bathroom. It's nothing fancy, just my staple. I'll go with Clorox, and then I think I'll show you the scrubbing bubbles. I go with that, the megafoam shower thing, and then my favorite part is coming. Of course, I cleaned my toilet and stuff like that, but I couldn't get you guys that angle. I was not stressing to get angles for you guys that I can't get. I already have a small enough bathroom, so I got what I could get. But yes, my favorite part is this towel scrubber, cleaner, whatever you want to call it. Now, if you're a short girl like me, this comes in handy because you don't break your back, number one. Number two, you can't stretch too high because you're too short like I am. This has been a godsend for me because I can literally reach to the wall without trying to reach it. It extends, and it's the best thing ever in life that I ever purchased in my life.